making some kada, which is very good for cold and tickly throat, if you have any ticklish throat and runny nose. So this is a very effective kada which I usually try. So I thought I'll try, I'll share it with you guys. Yeah. So the ingredients for my kada are, you need some ginger, couple of garlics, half sliced onion, some mint leaves, cinnamon sticks, and then pepper. I mean, this is called ipli, but you can also use the black pepper, some cloves, some cumin seeds, and some flax seeds. We also need some honey, maybe a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a cup of water. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin with, I'm trying to crush the ginger, garlic, and the mint leaves. You know, the more you crush, the more flavor you get in your kada. So I'm just trying to crush it. Okay, so once we crush the ginger, garlic, and mint, let's crush all the spices as well. It's just to add a lot of flavor by by crushing the juice. And we just need to crush it to make it like as much fine as possible. Okay, so this is how it looks. I mean, you can further crush it to make it too fine, but I usually do it this much. So once that's done, so once crushed, then heat a cup of water on the hob, and maybe the next what you can do is add the paste which you just made. It's not very fine, but that's okay. Add right there. Step is to add the onions, the half sliced onions which I've cut. Onion is very good for cold. And then you need to add like half a tablespoon of turmeric and just give it a nice stir. Okay, and let's now wait for this mixture to boil. Make sure you don't boil it too much, because then you lose all the vitamins from the ingredients. So just get it to one boil. Alright everyone, so this is how the final drink looks like. So what we're gonna do finally is add maybe half teaspoon of honey and give it a nice stir. And yeah, that is it. I mean, this is a very healthy immunity booster kada drink, and it's a very conventional recipe which was shared by my mom. And yeah, try it at home. I hope you guys like it.